I am going to open this. Remember, these are $30. That includes the shipping, and it comes with exclusive nail strips. I am actually getting a second one of this one. So what I'm going to do is, if you sign up before the end of the month, it's December 20th. So in the next 10 days, before the end of the month for next month's subscription box, I will put you in a drawing for one of the new subscribers to get this month's free. It will be not this one. It'll be an unopened one because I was able to earn a free set. Somebody's calling me. I was able to earn a free box, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I will have an extra one. If you do enroll this month, you will be put into a drawing to get one of these boxes. It's more like a $50 value. So without any more, I will open it up. So it's a cute little box. Inside it says color play, and it has different ways you can make, different manis you can make with what's in this set. It shows it, and then there is a QR code here with videos to how to make it. So if you want to learn like ways to do new designs, you can check those out. And so it looks like Super New Year's. It's about what I thought, like black and gold for, the Roaring 20s, which is kind of what I thought it would be, which is awesome. So February is going to be Colors of Love. So, and this just tells you what the strips are. Season's Greetings from Casely. Oh, it's a coupon. Use Color Streak. It's a coupon for $10 off from Casely. So you get a little coupon in there. So this one is, if you're watching this, do hashtag replay again. This is called Glitz and Glamour. It's a pretty gold strip. And it looks like there's 10 of those, 2 sets of 5 in there. And a little nail file. So these are the sets, and of course your wash. This is cool. Oh my gosh, it's like cut down the middle, so it's like already cut for you to do a half and half on your nail. This one's called Cocktail Hour, and it's a pretty gold. It's like a shimmer gold. I don't know how well you can see it. And there's 5 of those, but they're like cut in the middle there, so I could do a half a nail and half a nail, which is super fun. So that's one of the things that are super cool about these is some of them are pre-cut in ways like, so you don't have to do it. It makes your life easy. This one is Midnight in Manhattan. So this is, a popular set. They're using it to mix and match. They did say that next month's box will be all exclusive strips, none that are available otherwise. This is Midnight in Manhattan, but it's split in half like that gold one I showed you. So you could do the half and half on the nail strips. And this one is cute. It's an overlay, like a fun, like 20s overlay called Roaring Good Time. It reminds me of the 20s, if you can see it. It's kind of awesome. And then there's always a free gift in them. So let me see. Ooh, look, I get this. Okay, so these nail files are awesome. It's in a case. I have some of our nail files, and these are some of the best nail files I've ever had. And it's like Tokyo Lights colored. I love it. I've seen this nail file available in the bundles that are available. One of the bundles, I don't remember which one has it. And what is this? This is a nail clipper with file. Oh, wow. Look at that, how cute that is. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's a nice, like, heavy nail clipper with a little tiny file in there. Oh, like, that's perfect to carry around in your purse. So, that's just this month's box. Again, you can sign up. You can skip months whenever you want. They're $30 all in. This is fun. So if you like subscription boxes, and even if you don't, February's is, it's a great value even if you don't. February's is Colors of Love, and if you sign up by the end of the month, you can get February's. You won't be charged until the beginning of January. And if you do sign up in the next 10 days, you can get this box free. I will put you in a drawing to get this box free. All right. Have a great night.